Hi, today let's make Bachelor special green chili chicken. Very simple to make. In a pan, add in oil. Once oil is added, add in cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds splatters, add in chopped garlic and then saute for a minute, and then you can add in chopped ginger. Again saute for a minute. Here every ingredient needs to be sauteed well. Once the ginger and garlic has been sauteed really well, add in the slit green chilies. Here if you like the chili chicken to be more spicy, you can increase the chili slit green chilies. Next I'm adding some basic spices like turmeric, salt, garam masala, coriander powder and pepper powder, and give it a good mix. Once the chicken has infused all the flavors really very well, add in lot or handful of fresh coriander leaves and saute it really very well. Once the chicken has been mixed and you feel the chicken is almost cooked, finally add in the green chili sauce. This is easily available in any kind of supermarket near your house. Again give it a good toss and check for the salt at this stage, and your tasty spicy bachelor special green chili chicken is ready just in 5 minutes. You can just have it just like that. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.